Hey everyone, now it's a time to explore what exactly is a scatter plot. Scatter plot is basically used to find relationship between two numerical variables. So whenever you want to identify how strong two variables are, like what is the correlation between two variables, is one variable increasing with another variable? To understand all these things, we go with a scatter plot. So in this case, let's try to analyze our relationship between sales and a profit. Let's try to analyze relationship between sales and a profit. So very first thing, let me just use PLT dot figure of, let's see if its size is equal to, I'll just say like 4,2, and then we'll just use SNS dot a scatter plot, and then you have to pass your data, and then it should be X is equal to, I'm going to pass sales along X axis, and I'm going to pass, profit along the Y axis. Okay, and then I just want to display only the graph, so I'm just using PLT dot show. Okay, so this is giving me relationship between two different variables, right? That is a sales and a profit. That's so cool. Sorry, PLT dot figure of fixed size. We just need a dumb mistake. Yes. It looks good. Better now. 4,2. Let me give it. Yes. So if you want to change a color, you can also give, let's say color is equal to, I'll just give it like pink color. So you got something like this. And what if you want the same thing with respect to different categories? This is, and you can also see the insights related to this graph is there is a strong relationship between sales and profit, because as sales increases, even the profit is also increasing, right? So you could see a kind of positive trend. If it's something like this, then there is a direct relationship, positive relationship. If it's something like this, then there is a negative relationship, because as one increases, the other one will decrease. And if something like this, no relationship. They are like completely independent and no dependencies. Okay, so this is all about a line chart. Now, what if you want to see the, sorry, scatter plot? I'm sorry, yeah. What if you want to see the same scatter plot with respect to different categories? So one important thing, just remove the color and just pass hue as equal to the seed category. So what it will do, it will give you the same scatter plot with respect to, sorry, category C should be capital. Yeah, you'll get a same scatter plot with respect to different categories. Let me just expand this. So no overlapping. Yeah, it looks better now. You can increase height as well. Yeah, see? So blue color ones are representing furniture, office supplies are represented by orange color bubbles, and technology related are represented by green color bubbles. Okay, this is how you find relationship between two different variables using a scatter plot, and you can also introduce a hue in order to understand the same relationship with respect to different categories. This is so interesting, right? In all the cases, you can see we have like as sales is increasing, the profit is also increasing. For all the cases, the same relationship, you could see the positive relationship between sales and a profit. Obviously, as one increases, the other one should also increase. As one decreases, the other one should also decrease, right? So this is all about a scatter plot. I hope it's clear. It requires two numerical variables and one categorical for legend. Great. In the next video, let's discuss about what exactly is a box plot and also violin plot. Thank you. Happy learning.